Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a gift card for Spotify Premium. Spotify gift cards offer a convenient way to enjoy ad-free music and podcasts. These cards provide prepaid access to an individual premium plan, typically for durations like 1, 3, or 6 months. It's important to remember that you can only redeem these cards directly on the Spotify website, not within the mobile or desktop applications. This ensures a smooth and successful redemption process. Redeeming your Spotify gift card is a straightforward process. First, open a web browser and navigate to Spotify. com/redeem, then log into your existing Spotify account or create a new one. Next, find the unique 16-digit PIN on your gift card. For physical cards, gently scratch off the protective layer. Carefully enter this code into the designated field on the redemption page. Finally, click the Redeem button to successfully apply the gift card's value to your account. Once redeemed, your gift card's value directly converts into full months of a premium individual subscription. It's important to note that these cards are specifically for individual plans and cannot be applied to discounted options such as family, duo, or student subscriptions. If you already have an active premium individual plan, the gift card will simply extend your current subscription duration. For those upgrading from a free account, your premium benefits will begin immediately after redemption. Before redeeming, always ensure your Spotify account's country or region settings match where the gift card was purchased, as they are region-locked. Remember, these are single-use cards, meaning the entire face value is deducted at the time of redemption. You can, however, stack multiple gift cards to accumulate up to 18 months of premium time on your account. If you face any difficulties during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Spotify's customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.